welcome to this quick video on how to Appsmash Scratch coding with Soundtrap. This is one of my favorites because I'm a former tech teacher, so all my computer science tech teams enjoy. So Appsmashing is a term coined by Greg Coolwick, essentially where you take two apps and you combine them to create an awesome project. So this is an example. It's actually one of our lesson plans. So I put Scratch in here, and this is a project called Code Your Own Radio. So I have this very basic, very easy. I have this radio, and when I click on it, it's going to play one of my Soundtrap projects at random. I can press up and down on my keyboard to raise the volume. So I'm going to do that. If I want to change it, my last one, it's at random. There we go. It's my dog. All right, so that was a Scratch project that I created, Code Your Own Radio. There is a lesson plan that you can do with your students. But so now I'm going to demo how I did that. So I'm in the Soundtrap project, and I'm going to download a project. I'm going to choose this favorite poem here. I'm going to click on the three dots, and download as an MP3. So you can download it, it goes to your computer, and now I'm going to go into Scratch, into a project. So I have my sprite, my character, but now I want to add my sound to Scratch. So I'm going to go over to Sounds, right here, Sounds. I'm going to click on Choose a Sound. I don't have any sounds. Usually there's like one meow sound, but I'm going to upload a sound. And that's going to be the favorite poem. Click Open. And so now I have the sound. It's really cool. And now I'm going to go into the code. And I'm going to do something very, very simple, events. When I click the sprite, here we go. I'm going to just play the sound until it's done. So we're going to do that. I'm going to click on the sprite, and it's going to play the sound. Enjoy.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I.
So Rickrolling aside, that's very basic coding, easy for Scratch. Students can create their own kind of project. They can go more advanced if they know more computer science and coding in Scratch. Hopefully you enjoy. I hope you try it out with your students. Again, I've done things like this with my students, and they've created things that I probably couldn't even do. So have fun with it.